इसके लिए बस
May I have my Lord's kind permission to commence the official farewell program?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my Lord. I request my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, to kindly deliver the farewell address.
My esteemed brother, Shri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, and my esteemed sister and brother judges, Shri Harpreet Singh Rubra, Additional Advocate General, Shri Vikram Singh, Central Government Standing Counsel for the Union of India, Shri Abdullah Usmani, Member State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Sanjay Verma, President High Court Bar Association, Shri Praveen Dubey, Secretary High Court Bar Association, Shri Aditya Adhikari, Secretary Senior Advocates Council, the family members of Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, officers of the registry, learned members of the bar. We have assembled here today to bid farewell to Honorable Shri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, who is demitting office today after attaining the age of superannuation. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma was born on 29 July 1961 at Vidisha. After completing his school education from Vidisha and Neemuch, he obtained his BSc degree in 1981 from Vidisha and his law degree in 1984 from the Hitkarni Law College, Jabalpur. Thereafter, he joined the judicial service and was appointed as a civil judge class 2 on 27 August 1987. On 13 June 1994, he was promoted as a civil judge class 1 and on 9 June 1997 as a CJM ACJM. He was promoted as an officiating district judge in the High Judicial Service on 2nd June 1999. He was granted selection grade scale with effect from 10th October 2007 and super time scale with effect from 11th April 2016. In August 1994, he was posted as the Deputy Welfare Commissioner Bhopal Gas Victims at Bhopal. During his tenure as a judicial officer, he was posted at Sagar, Nasrullaganj, Sihor, Bagli, Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Sabalgarh, Agar, Tikramgarh and Chhatarpur. He was elevated as a judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 25th June 2021. During his tenure as the judge of this court, he has disposed of 2,969 cases. The decisions rendered by him reflect his knowledge of law and approach in tackling complex issues. In the case of Ramua and others versus Kodulal and another, while considering an application for continuation of delay, it was held that the words sufficient cause for not making the application within the period of limitation should be understood and applied in a reasonable, pragmatic, practical, and liberal manner, depending upon the facts and circumstances of the case and the type of the case. The explained delay should be clearly understood in contradistinction to inordinate delay. In the case of Ajay Khatik versus State of Madhya Pradesh, while discussing about the jurisdiction of the trial court to release the seized vehicle confiscated under the provisions of the Madhya Pradesh Excise Act, it was held that the cutoff point for jurisdiction is not the commencement of proceedings for confiscation of seized property, but intimation thereof received by the magistrate having jurisdiction to try the offence under section 47A3 of the Act. In the case of Rajkumar Agarwal versus Srimati Anita Agarwal and others, After discussing the various judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, it was held that a person cannot be granted a decree of specific performance or contract in his favor unless he proves that he was always ready to perform the essential terms of the contract which was to be performed by him. The conduct has to be properly scrutinized. In the case of Shri Avinash Kumar Ray versus Dr. Kumar Chaya and others, it was held that if the evidence is about facts which are in the personal knowledge of the primary party, then the holder of the power of attorney cannot accord the same facts on behalf of the primary party himself. The principle of admission of opposite parties is the best evidence, and then there is no need to prove otherwise. He has rendered valuable assistance even on the administrative side. He has been a hard-working judge. In spite of a health setback, he has worked diligently. I am sure that even after retirement, he will always be eager to lend his helping hand whenever he is called upon to do so. I, on my behalf and on behalf of my esteemed sister and brother judges and the registry of the court, wish Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, Mrs. Arun Sharma and their family a very happy, contented and peaceful life.
I request the Additional Advocate General, Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, my Lords. Today we have gathered here to bid a very fond farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, who is demitting the office of Judge of this Honorable Court after serving in the judiciary 36 years. It is a privilege to be here to celebrate your Lordship's remarkable career. Ever since your Lordship entered the judiciary in 1987, your Lordship has brought to the task of judging an acute sense of fairness and a great deal of empathy and understanding of the frailties of human condition. This is a jurisdiction with sometimes the best, but more often the worst of people, and their lives are exposed and played out in a system which depends upon integrity of process as the linchpin of reaching right and just outcomes, and for preserving the dignity of the litigants participating in it. Your Lordship has played an integral and outstanding part. Such a long service reflects the range of your Lordship's intellectual and scholarly interest and capacities. Your Lordship has always been unfailingly polite and courteous. We've never heard your Lordship say a harsh word about anyone. If there was nothing good to say, nothing was said. On behalf of the law officers who have appeared before your Lordship over the past 36 years, I sincerely thank your Lordship for the courtesy and respect that your Lordship has always shown us, and submit that the courtesy and respect we have shown towards your Lordship has been richly deserved. I am sure that your Lordship will take time to enjoy your many interests and will also spend time with your family. I have no doubt that your Lordship will continue to be active in public life and many causes dear to you. I wish your Lordship all the very best as my Lord commences this new chapter in life. I, on behalf of the Advocate General, the State of Madhya Pradesh, all law officers of the State of Madhya Pradesh, and on my own behalf, wish your Lordship and your Lordship's family a long, happy, healthy and fulfilling life beyond the bench.
I request Central Government Standing Counsel for Union of India, Shri Vikram Singh, to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, my Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, my Lord, Honorable the company and judges of this Hon'ble Court. Today we are assembled here to bid farewell to my Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, who is leaving us after completing a successful tenure as a Justice of this Honorable High Court. Honorable Sir Justice Arun Kumar Sharma was elevated as a judge of this Honorable High Court on 25th of June 2021. During his tenure as a judicial career so far, His Lordship has delivered several landmark judgments and decisions in many areas of our substantive and procedural law. Though his patience, his sound knowledge of law, and fairness in conduct of the cases, the trust that people repose in our judicial system has been greatly enhanced. Every liar who appeared before his Lordship always felt at home and never felt uneasy. It is due to his Lordship hard working diligence, adhering to the professional ethics and ability to work in a team that has gained the trust of the members of the bar, who feel him as one of their own. Although his judicial career, his Lordship has upheld the rule of law while also being conscious of the needs of the underprivileged and vulnerable groups of the society. Besides it, his Lordship has also been party to numerous orders and the judgments that have furthered the cause of the justice in the state. I, on behalf of the Union of India, Deputy Solicitor General of India, the law officers of the Union of India and my own behalf, would like to convey our gratitude for his Lordship's service to this court. We will always fondly remember his contributions to the rule of law and to this Honorable High Court. We wish the very best in his future pursuit and pray for a long, happy, and fulfilling life. May the Almighty God continue to bless his Lordship and our family for the rest of his life.
I request Member State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Ahadullah Usmani, to deliver his farewell speech.
The Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh and the companion judges, and Honorable Shri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma ji, we have gathered together to assemble here to bid farewell to the Honorable Justice Shri Arun Kumar Sharma, who after graduation and LLB degree had joined the services as a civil judge class 1 27/8/1987 and then he promoted to ACGM and subsequently to CGM and was promoted as an officiating district judge on 2/6/1999, and in this period, during his tenure as a judicial officer, my lord was posted at various cities in the state of Madhya Pradesh, and my lord has also worked as a deputy welfare commissioner Bhopal, Gas Victim Bhopal. On 25/6/2021, my lord was elevated as a judge of this court. My lord, during his tenure of his service, has worked most efficiently, sincerely, dedicatedly, promptly to his level best, and due to his ability and knowledge, he was accepted and admired by the advocates, litigants, and common men. My lord, after hearing the cases, very promptly reached to the core issue of the case and dictates the order immediately. My lord, I, on behalf of the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, on behalf of the advocates of the state of Madhya Pradesh, and on my own behalf, wish your lordship all the best for the days to come and wish you a very happy and your family healthy life in future.
I request President, High Court Bar Association, Shri Sanjay Verma, to deliver his farewell speech.
The Honorable the Chief Justice and all companion judges of the Honorable High Court, and Honorable Justice Shri Arun Kumar Sharma ji, and family member of the Justice Arun Kumar Sharma, respected officer of the registry, members of the Bar Association, we have assembled here today to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Arun Kumar Sharma ji. First of all, I would like to admire all achievements and good words articulated by the Honorable Chief Justice in honor of the Honorable Justice Shri Arun Kumar Sharma ji. Justice Sharma has been working in this High Court since 25th June 2021. My lord also suffered from the serious medical ailment at times during their tenure. Despite of the great deal of affliction, my lord has always been able to come back as a warrior to discharge their duties. We are grateful to my lords and the respected family members of the my lords for their perpetual endeavors. My lord has always been a relief-oriented judge. I, on behalf of Bar Association on my behalf and the all members of the Bar Association, bidding farewell to the Honorable Justice Shri Sharma ji and conveying my best wishes, good health, delightful retirement life to your Lordship and my Lord's family.
I request Secretary High Court Advocates Bar Association Shri Praveen Dubey to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, My Lord Honorable C. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma ji, My Lords Honorable the Companion Judges, Registrar General and Office of the Registry, all the respected office bearer of the Bar Association, Bar Council, distinguished guest, and the family member of Honorable C. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma who are present today. Today we are assembled here to bid farewell to my Lord Honorable C. Justice Arun Kumar Sharma ji, who is demitting office today after completing a successful tenure as a judge of this Honorable Court. After successful accomplishment of duties as a High Court judge, as also the judge of subordinate courts, your Lordship was elevated as a judge of Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 25th June 2020. Lordship, as a judge of this court, have been very patient and balanced judge. My Lord never interrupted arguing counsels and always allowed a full hearing, even when the argument might be far from convincing. The Lordship had never been discourteous to the member of the bar. The Lordship imparted justice as a perfectionist and would always be remembered for their enlightened contribution to law by your 11 judgments. I, on behalf of all the members of the High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur, and on my own behalf, would like to convey our gratitude for your Lordship service to the court and the society. I also wish your Lordship a good health, happiness, and a grand success in next chapter of life. May the Almighty continue to bless your Lordship and his family. Thank you.
I request Senior Advocates Council, Secretary Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord Honorable Companion Judges, and My Lord Honorable Justice Sharma. My Lord Honorable Justice Sharma had an accumulated experience of almost 36 years in judicial services and as a judge of this honorable court. Honorable Justice Sharma held several important assignments during his long career in various districts of Madhya Pradesh. Honorable Justice A.K. Sharma has decided several cases, and the judgments would continue to remind us of his contribution to the legal fraternity. We have assembled here today to bid farewell to Honorable Justice A.K. Sharma on the occasion of his retirement. I wish him all success for his new assignments. On behalf of the Senior Advocates Council and on my own behalf, I wish your Lordship a very happy retirement and at the same time wish your Lordship all the best for future, good health and happiness.
I request Honorable Shri Justice Arun Kumar Sharma to reply to the farewell address.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति श्री रवि मलिमत साहब, मेरे सभी वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्तिगण और साथी न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री वर्मा जी, अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, श्री हरप्रीत रुपरा जी, एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव, एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल, श्री उस्मानी जी, सेक्रेटरी बार काउंसिल ऑफ एमपी, रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एवं रजिस्ट्री के सभी ऑफिसर्स, जुडिशल एकेडमी के डायरेक्टर और उनके साथीगण, पूरी टीम, सालसा के मेंबर सेक्रेटरी श्री आदित्य अधिकारी, सेक्रेटरी सीनियर काउंसिल, मेरे परिवार के सदस्य, न्यायपालिका के सभी न्यायिक अधिकारीगण जो ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन जुड़े हुए हैं, सर्वप्रथम मैं आपके द्वारा जो शब्द मेरे संबंध में कहे गए उनके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। आपके द्वारा मेरे प्रति कहे गए शब्दों के लिए मैं अपने हृदय तल से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। मैं स्वयं को इन शब्दों के योग्य नहीं समझता हूँ,
आपके स्नेह और शुभकामनाओं के लिए मेरे लिए ये शुभकामनाएं आप मेरे लिए अनमोल हैं। समय की एक विशेषता है, वह अच्छा हो बुरा हो जैसा भी हो गुजर ही जाता है। किसी ने कहा है कि मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने में मंजिल, मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया। मैंने दिनांक 27/8/1987 को सिविल जज बरगदो के रूप में ज्वाइन किया था और आज उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश के रूप में मेरा कार्यकाल समाप्त हो रहा है। इस 36 वर्षों के सेवा काल में मैंने न केवल नसरुल्लागंज, बागली और सबलगढ़ जैसे छोटे स्थानों पर कार्य किया, अपितु इंदौर, भोपाल और महाकाल की नगरी उज्जैन में भी मैं पदस्थ रहा और उसके बाद से महाकाल का आशीर्वाद मेरे ऊपर और उनकी कृपा सदैव बनी रही। इस न्यायिक सेवा काल में मुझे कई न्यायाधीशों के साथ रहकर उनके व्यक्तित्व और कार्यों से सीखने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। शुरुआती न्यायिक कार्यकाल में मुझे माननीय श्री M.R. पांडे साहब, माननीय श्री C.S. गुप्ता साहब तथा अन्य कई विद्वान और स्नेही न्यायाधीशगण का मार्गदर्शन प्राप्त हुआ है, जिनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। इन न्यायाधीशगण द्वारा मुझे स्नेह देते हुए और अपनत्व की भावना से स्नेह एवं ज्ञान दिया गया। मैं आज उन सभी वरिष्ठ जन के प्रति कृतज्ञता अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। मैं इस अवसर पर मेरी स्वर्गीय माँ का अवश्य स्मरण करना चाहूँगा। उनकी बहुत इच्छा थी कि मैं उच्च न्यायालय तक पहुँचूँ। मेरा नाम एलिवेशन के लिए गया था और दुर्भाग्य से मेरी ओथ होने के लगभग 2 माह पूर्व वह कोविड का शिकार हो गई और हम सबको छोड़कर चली गई, परंतु उनका आशीर्वाद मुझे सदैव मिलता रहा और मैं उनके चेहरे में हमेशा भगवान की छवि देखता रहा। जीवन भर में उन्हें ही भगवान मानता रहा। मुझे विश्वास है कि वह जहाँ भी होंगी उनका आशीर्वाद मेरे ऊपर सदैव बना रहेगा और मुझे तो ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है जैसे अभी भी वो इस हाल में बैठकर मुझे देख रही हैं और मुस्कुराते हुए मुझे आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं। मेरे इस संपूर्ण अवधि में मेरे परिवार अर्थात मेरी पत्नी श्रीमती उमा शर्मा, मेरी पुत्री डॉक्टर अपूर्वा, दामाद श्री अभिजीत, मेरे पुत्र अक्षय, पुत्र वधू अलीशा तथा पुत्री अनुजा और मेरी छोटी बहन श्रीमती सुधा शर्मा, मेरे बहनोई श्री हेमंत शर्मा ने मेरे साथ न्यायिक कार्य संपादन में होने वाली कठिनाइयों का अनुभव किया। मेरे परिवार द्वारा हर समय मेरे साथ रहकर मुझे न्यायिक कार्य के लिए न केवल स्वतंत्रता प्रदान की, बल्कि घर में भी कार्य के लिए अनुकूल वातावरण उपलब्ध कराया। निसंदेह उनके इस त्याग का तथा समर्पण के कारण ही आज मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाया हूँ। यह एक अवसर है जब कुछ कार्यों के लिए आभार प्रकट करना मेरा नैतिक दायित्व है। कुछ समय पूर्व मेरा स्वास्थ्य अत्यंत खराब हो गया था और मैं लंबे समय के लिए निरंतर हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट रहा। माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति महोदय उस समय नियमित रूप से मेरे परिवार से मेरे स्वास्थ्य की जानकारी लेते रहे और उन्होंने उस संघर्ष की घड़ी में मुझे तथा मेरे परिवार को अपार संबल प्रदान किया। इस संबंध में यह महत्वपूर्ण रूप से मैं उल्लेख करना चाहूँगा कि हॉस्पिटल में पेमेंट की समस्या आने पर माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति महोदय द्वारा उच्च न्यायालय से लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट जारी करवाया गया, जिसके कारण अस्पताल में एडमिट रहने के संपूर्ण अवधि के दौरान मुझे या मेरे परिवार को पेमेंट की कोई समस्या नहीं हुई और इस अविस्मरणीय कार्य के लिए मैं तथा मेरा परिवार माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री रविमल साहब का सदैव आभारी रहेगा और उसी का एक परिणाम है कि मैं आज आप सभी लोगों के बीच में बैठा हूँ। मेरी इस दीर्घ न्यायिक यात्रा में न केवल पदस्थापना के स्थान अपितु मेरे न्यायालय में पदस्थ न्यायालयीन कर्मचारी तथा अधिवक्तागण भी मुझे अभी तक याद हैं। उन लोगों से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत कुछ ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है। मेरा मानना है कि यदि आप शुद्ध अंतःकरण से पारदर्शिता तथा निर्भीकता के साथ कार्य करते हैं तो न केवल ईश्वर आपकी मदद करता है, बल्कि आपको अपने साथी न्यायाधीश, अधिवक्तागण और न्यायालयीन कर्मचारी गण से भी पूर्ण सहयोग मिलता है। माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के सेवा काल में मुझे माननीय न्यायमूर्ति शील नागू तथा माननीय न्यायमूर्ति सुजय पाल साहब के साथ टीवी में बैठकर कार्य करने का सुअवसर प्राप्त हुआ। उनके साथ कार्य कर मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। विशेषतः उनके व्यक्तित्व की विनम्रता, सरलता और उनकी अतुलनीय विद्वता जैसे तत्व ग्रहण करने योग्य हैं। उनकी विलक्षण क्षमता के आगे मैं नतमस्तक हूँ। मुझे इस पद पर स्थापना के दौरान न्यायालयीन कार्य के लिए समस्त मेरे वरिष्ठ न्यायाधीशगण और साथी न्यायाधीशगण ने निरंतर मार्गदर्शन दिया और मेरे साथ स्नेह और अपनापन बनाए रखा। उनके प्रति मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। इस अधिवक्ता संघ के विद्वान सभी अधिवक्तागण द्वारा भी मुझे न्यायालयीन कार्य में पूर्ण सहयोग प्रदान किया गया। शासकीय अधिवक्तागण द्वारा भी मुझे सदैव ज्ञान के संबंध में साइटेशन से मुझे अवगत कराया गया। नवीन न्याय दृष्टांत मुझे बताए गए जिससे मैं न्यायालयीन कार्य करने में सफल हुआ। मेरे कार्य में समस्त रजिस्ट्री अधिकारीगण तथा मेरे न्यायालयीन स्टाफ का पूर्ण सहयोग प्राप्त हुआ है। मेरे न्यायालयीन स्टाफ में सर्वश्री जितेंद्र पुरोहा, संतोष तिवारी, पंकज नागले, विनोद शर्मा, विनय वर्मा, सर्वेश रामदेव, संदीप पटेल, धर्मेंद्र सेन की कार्यकुशलता को भी कभी विस्मृत नहीं किया जा सकता। मेरे दोनों पीएसओ श्री दिलीप सिंह और श्री थापा ने भी निरंतर मेरा ध्यान रखा। मेरे एपीओ श्री कुदरत खान, मेरे न्यायालय के श्री रामेश्वर यादव ने भी मेरा पूर्ण सहयोग किया और पूरी निष्ठा और लगन के साथ मेरे साथ मुझे न्यायिक कार्य करने के लिए अनुकूल वातावरण तैयार किया। मेरे आवास पर पदस्थ सर्वश्री दिनेश दुर्वे, रामजी जायसवाल तथा अमित वर्मन के द्वारा भी पूर्ण मनोयोग, निष्ठा और समर्पण के साथ कार्य किया गया। मेरे बीमारी के अवसर पर इन लोगों ने परिवार के सदस्य की भांति मेरी देखभाल की और मेरे इस न्यायिक कार्य करते हुए मुझे न्याय करने में सहयोग दिया। मैं उन सभी का भी हृदय से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे किसी भी प्रकार से थोड़ा बहुत भी सहयोग किया है। इसी प्रकार जिला न्यायालय में पदस्थ रहने के दौरान इंदौर जिला स्थापना के श्री भगवान सिंह का विस्मरणीय सहयोग मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा, जिन्होंने मेरे संपूर्ण कार्यकाल के दौरान मेरे परिवार के सदस्य की तरह सदैव मेरा पूरा सहयोग किया। आप लोगों के साथ व्यतीत हुए यह कार्यकाल निसंदेह मेरी स्वर्णिम कार्यकाल है। आज मेरी न्याय यात्रा के अंतिम पड़ाव पर मेरा हृदय आप सभी लोगों के प्रति कृतज्ञता से भरा हुआ है। यदि मेरे बन वचन कर्म से किसी को भी कोई पीड़ा हुई हो तो कृपया मुझे क्षमा करने का कष्ट करें। मैं मेरे संपूर्ण कार्यकाल की सफलता सभी वरिष्ठ तथा साथी न्यायाधीशगण, अधिवक्तागण तथा न्यायालयीन कर्मियों के साथ अर्पित करता हूँ। आपके द्वारा दिए गए स्नेह तथा सम्मान के लिए हृदय से आपका धन्यवाद तथा आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। और अंत में 4 लाइनें मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मुंतज़िर मैं नसीम राहों का, खुद ब खुद रोशनी रहा हूँ मैं, सिर्फ इतना ही कसूर है मेरा, हर कदम आदमी रहा हूँ।
May I have my lord's kind permission to declare the farewell program closed?
Yes, please.
I declare the farewell program closed.
Court sittings for the rest of the day are suspended.